What is that? Balloons from who?
From who?
From who? Who just brought them? Yeah, Sarah.
Thank you to Sarah. You're welcome. Well, you should pull it.
Oh, Zoe, the balloons. Oops, the balloons came with a bag. What's in the bag? What's in there?
Let's see what's in there. Let's just pull back. Wow. What is it?
That sounds like what? Sounds like a puzzle. Yay!
Oh, really?
Wow, 2 puzzles.